Hi, I'm Madeline Hanlon Austin. I work for Portland Parks and Recreation, and I help manage our swimming pools. I started as a part-time lifeguard and swim instructor. Yeah, I found a really welcoming environment at the pools. I get to bring my whole self. I get to be surrounded by people who also bring their whole selves.
Hola, me llamo Javier Martinez, trabajando con la ciudad de Portland in Parks and Rec at the age of 40, kind of switching gears at an older stage of my life. It's been a pretty great ride. It's been a pretty fun time. Que estoy haciendo un trabajo que es beneficio para la ciudad.
Hi, I'm Shawn Lindsey. I'm with Portland Parks and Rec, and I'm the athletic field supervisor. Seasonal maintenance worker is where I started. It's where I've grown from. It's where I've learned from. Seeing the kids' smiles and knowing I had a part in that, that's what I love to do. A lot of laughter, a lot of fun, a lot of interaction with a lot of people in the communities, and that's one of the best things of working with parks.
Hi, my name is Dulce Salgado and I work for Portland Parks and Recreation. I oversee programs like camps, sports, and preschool programs. Portland Parks and Recreation para mí significa familia, significa mantenerse saludables. My job is really fun. I've been working with Parks since I was 17 years old and I never left.
Parks has amazing people to work with. You're going to find a lot of people end up becoming friends, family.
I started out as a seasonal worker. It is your foot in the door.
I started off working in the game room and I've slowly worked my way up.
It's given me a great opportunity, which can give you a great opportunity.
There is the support, the technology, the equipment, all that support is at the ready every day, all day.
When I go home at the end of the day, I feel nourished, I feel supported.
Y cada día es diferente.
The benefits, they're outstanding.
I can't stop talking about it sometimes.
Every day brings something new.
This is what I love, this is what I wanted to do, and I found my career.
Descubre si nuestro equipo es para ti. Create memories with families and kids.
In an inclusive environment where we learn together, where we grow together.
If this sounds good to you, come give it a try. Come join our team.
You will not regret it.